mothe. Mr. Quick.
Mr. Me, dire guku na mahitia, njukite tondu guku ni mucii na ni njagire gukorwo kundu kuriku. Kundu guku no muno makiria ri. Karwimbo ndakirio my son. You know, ngoretwo ho na hau kabere. Koguo ni ngenaga ndona other upcoming artists magiuka na no nginya tuka to support andu aya. Yeni.
One thing for example hari ta nyingi korani ndakorire Githingithia ari Githingithia and right now you still you, what's that thing niki kiu kindu kimwe gitumite unyitirire nginya tha ici industry ni one secret
consistency. Consistency wahatia au because again you have no nginya wirute guthoma maundu meru. Because the moment you stop learning, whether at 20 or 80, you become very old. Kogo no nginyagia umenye riu ni Gen Z ukamenya mugutwara natia. Ningeneja ndagondo ugutuma gucie andu anini, andu akuru tugacemania at the middle.
Sure. One thing you love about Karwimbo Mokorino?
He's style yake ri. Ni hana, you know, that originality, you know, leo hidakovagia dakovirie koguo okire ariwe originality koguo undu ucio ni gutuma akagea na identity, his own identity na yakota gwikara thiini wa industry igikara gipampaga up agipolishaga art yake oguo riu nona ni araina. That's the way to go.
That's the way to go. Yeah. One advice to our upcoming artists and comedians?
Yeah, if one message to upcoming, if you are meant to be, you have to be. Whether you like it or not, you have to push for it. It's not easy, but you can't give up.
Sure.
Never give up.
Kwa mafans makure tamerende ke umahaririria.
In fact yona direciria ka he kindu muthe ndi mahaririirie no guka ingiona kanya tondu no nginya twambe to he upcoming opportunity in case ona ingia gwika ati na njuke support hakuna matata lakini ndona aure andu mokete no gakena but ingiona kanya ri I would like to tell them twikuo muno na ati ndikuraga when wokuraga you can no umene hanini you step out then you step in again wathi ukevanga na bado ndirevanga tondu nani riu ni hindi ndenda kwi rebrand. You know, no nginyagia after some time okay rebrand ore ona Coca-Cola ikauga is always Coca-Cola but it is still Coca-Cola, so you need to keep on rebranding yourself every now and then kugacoko gakirorera uria thirathie tukae gutiika ningi wamberia gwethwo na makinya ta ng'ombe. Do you understand? Umenye you have to keep up with the pace. Maundu maigira digital, you also go digital. Because you have wazee digital na vijana analog. Sasa ningetaka vijana wote wakue digital kwa sababu that is the direction the world is taking.
Sure.
Yeah.
Tupatie social media zako haraka tukimaliza.
Githingithia 254 TikTok. Dumeni ku Githingithia Facebook, YouTube Githingithia TV. Tuonane huko goko kuma kwa Kikuyu Vibes tugakwira hapa ni Kamukunji Grounds muthenya wa Sunday tugikungwira Karwimbo Mokorino. Adios.